Today, we're gonna unbox Henry. This is the last unboxing for today. And I'm gonna try to end it off with a banger. I'll try. Just put a lot of these packages in the sender. So first I'll get the sender out. Nice sender. I will definitely make a flying Kipper remake. I'm definitely gonna do that. Thunder, and here's Henry. Henry Green Engine. The number 3 Green Engine. Okay, let me put batteries in this and I'll start running. Okay, so I got the battery into Henry and now let's run him. And why not run our other I'm gonna get these. Let me just run ahead. So that's it for today's Christmas marathon. I unboxed a lot of things. A lot of things. These are one of my best Christmas gifts ever. Oh, they crashed already. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel, Jamie TV channel, and also share my videos. Why not? Okay, so bye.